use a fraud alert, or a credit lock on TransUnion? Let me explain the difference. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, you'll learn the key differences between a fraud alert and a credit lock so you can protect your credit smartly. Step 1. Understand that a fraud alert notifies lenders to verify your identity before approving credit. Step 2. Know that a fraud alert lasts for 1 year and is free to place. Step 3. A credit lock completely restricts access to your credit report until you unlock it. Step 4. Credit locks offer more control but may come with fees depending on your credit bureau. Step 5. Fraud alerts are ideal if you suspect identity theft, while credit locks give stronger security. Step 6. You can place fraud alerts for free via TransUnion's website or by phone. Quick tip: use fraud alerts for temporary protection. Choose credit locks if you want ongoing control. If this helped, please like, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and comment below with your credit questions. Thanks for watching.